Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rian, and if this is the first time that you ever watch my channel, I want to say welcome, and I hope that you learned something. My heart is to teach everything finance, and I try to keep my videos as unedited as possible, as I want to be as transparent as possible. All right, now I want to talk about, I'm going to give a little bit of history around just my journey on eToro in general, and then also the issue that I am currently facing. So for those of you who don't know, I am RT Investing, or I have two accounts on eToro. One is RT Investing and one is McLovin 12345. Now I have the McLovin account is my personal account, and this is the account that I've had since 2017. It's my personal account. I've been trading crypto, everything. I've had high risk. I have had bad losses. I've had high gains. I've been playing around on that account since forever. I've also been, trying out different products on eToro. Also recently, I've, started the battle of the dividend ETFs experiment on that account as well. You can go and check it out. I've made a video on it. But more recently, I've created my RT investing portfolio, which is also my business portfolio. That's the one that I've designed to be copied by people. And the reason why I've created that one is, or actually just to backtrack a little bit, I have applied for the eToro Popular Investor Program before. Now they have declined me 3 times, and I haven't received any clear guidance on why. I've been rejected. I've even reached out to them, and even on my outreach, I've received the standard reply where they say, it's like a job interview and, and blah, blah, blah. So it wasn't even a tailored response. So I felt a little bit, bitter in my heart towards eToro. So I thought, okay, so it might be because of my risk from previous years on crypto. So, my account drew down quite significantly in the past, but it's because I never, structured my portfolio in such a way that it is meant to be copied. So what I've done starting 2020 January, I've structured the McLovin portfolio to such a way that it is copyable. I wasn't using any or copying any smart portfolios on eToro. So I wasn't even using those products, nothing. So I've literally eliminated all the reasons why they could possibly not accept me onto the Popular Investor Program. But I've just failed so many times with that account that I've decided to start something fresh, something that is well thought through, something that's properly hedged, properly diversified, and something that would return good returns like over the coming years, and then also an account that has a very like a average dividend yield. So I'm aiming between 15 and 20% growth, and then also a 2.5% dividend yield on the RT Invest portfolio. Now, I have created this portfolio as a dollar cost averaging portfolio. So what that means is it serves as a blueprint for me, and for my family. Like, we are all copying this RT Invest portfolio of mine, and we are adding funds to it every month. So we are in fact dollar cost averaging into all of the markets inside that portfolio, and then just getting our overall buy-in price as low as possible. You can go and check on my channel. I've made a few videos on that. But now I have hit a problem where I think I have reached the max assets under management, AUM, on my account. And so now I have this predicament where, I can't use my own blueprint account anymore, to invest every month. Like, I invest weekly. I add funds weekly to my personal account, to my wife's account, my family's. They all add weekly, and they dollar cost average into this portfolio that I've set up. But now we can't do it anymore because I think I've reached that limit. Now I know that once you are approved onto the eToro Popular Investor Program, then that limit gets removed. They review your account, and so my only choice now is to join the Popular Investor Program. This is a bad time to apply. I would have wanted some good stats before I apply, but I have no choice to apply now. So I will apply today, and hopefully I will be approved onto the program. and I can then continue to invest into this portfolio, to dollar cost average into it, and hopefully this solution could be helpful to other people in the future as well. Or one of the reasons why I think I was rejected on McLovin, my initial attempts to join the Popular Investor Program, was that you had to have an active feed. Now, I don't think I have, I don't think my feed was active enough for them, but I've learned that once people have a social media presence or like a YouTube channel or like some kind of following, they tend to be accepted more easily onto the program. So, hopefully this channel, and the videos that I've been making will help with my application of RT Invest, and I intend to continue making videos going into the future, because I enjoy making these videos and I enjoy just sharing what I know and my knowledge and the things that I've learned in the past with people, in order for us all to just secure our financial futures at the end of the day. All right, so let me just show you what exactly or how I found that I can't do this anymore. So this is my wife's account. You can see I have $200 available now, and you can see that if I now try to go and say add funds, now the minimum on my account is $200 to add. You can see that even if I add this 210, you can see that it doesn't give you the option to copy open trades. Now, what will happen now, basically in effect, if I say add now, those funds will just go and lie on top of the portfolio. It won't actually be utilized. It won't actually be used to open up new trades, or be invested. It would just lay there. And that's the problem. Look at the difference now. If I go to Minica Douglas, for instance, if I click add funds here, you do get the copy open trades, which means that it will allow you to invest that money. That money would be allowed to be invested, and in effect, RT Invest would be allowed to manage those assets. So that's my predicament currently. So if somebody from eToro is watching this, I really, really want to be on the Popular Investor Program. I have a passion for finance, and I have a passion for teaching, and I am just so excited for everything that is coming to eToro. There are so many new features, but currently it's just, for me, it's very sad that I cannot fully utilize the platform now to the way that I intend to use it because of these restrictions. So this is my plea to you, eToro, if you're watching this, please remove the restrictions, and let us trade. Just open up the floodgates for us to just take a hold of 2022 and all secure our financial features. All right, that's it from me, guys. If you are new to eToro, and this is your first time seeing or hearing anything about eToro, you can find my sign up link in the description below. And also, please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and also if you enjoy content like this where we talk about finance, everything finance, please consider subscribing down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.